Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and today we are making an all-purpose cleaner. Now January has come and January is almost over. And that means we're getting closer and closer to spring. And when spring hits, I like to do a good spring clean of our home. And I will go and I will clean, when we get a nice day, I will go and I'll clean the windows of our house inside and out. I will also clean crevices that I've just kind of been sitting for most of the year. And I will just kind of get things all cleaned up. And one of the cleaners I have found to be the very best cleaner that I have ever used, it would be this all-purpose cleaner. I use this as a glass cleaner. I also use it as just a general purpose cleaner. It's also great to disinfect. And I will take and use this in our car in the wintertime. This is great to clean the salt off of the rugs in your car. It's just an all around good cleaner. There are a few things you should not use this cleaner for, and that is granite, stone, and hardwood or wood in general. You should not use it on that because it has vinegar in it and it will eat away over time. It will eat away your wood floors. It will eat away at your granite counters or your stone floors. So those are some things you should not use it for. But apart from that, it is an amazing cleaner. So let's get started on making this cleaner. So to start things off, you are going to need a bowl and you're going to add 1.5 cups of warm water. Then you're going to pour 1 cup of white vinegar in. Then add 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. Next, you'll add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Lastly, you're going to want about 20 drops of essential oils. I like to use citrus because it makes the house just smell so nice. And then you're going to mix it all up until the cornstarch is all mixed together. Now it is time to put it in a bottle. You're going to just pour it right into the bottle that you're going to keep it in, and you are done. Now I like to shake the bottle when I get ready to use it, just because sometimes the cornstarch will settle at the bottom. That's just a little tip. I hope you give this cleaner a try. As spring's coming up, you're gonna probably have spring cleaning if you do that. I know I normally do, and I try to get right into the crevices of things. I clean out my oven and all that kind of wonderful, wonderful stuff. But I hope you will just give it a quick try. You don't have to spend much money on it. It really is very cheap. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those who are new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe down below. If you would like to receive notifications, you can hit that little bell right next to it and it will notify you anytime I have a new video that comes up. For those of you who would like to leave a comment, let me know if you like any homemade cleaners and what the recipes are for your homemade cleaners. Also, thank you to all those who have subscribed or those who have given such sweet comments in the comment section below. You guys are such an encouragement to me. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you next time. Bye.